In today's lesson, I am going to explain you when cost price is given, profit is also given, how we can find the selling price. So for this, first of all, we write the cost price. Cost price, CP represents cost price. CP is equal to 200. Profit is 20%, and we have to find selling price. SP represents selling price. So first of all, the profit, when profit is given in percentage, we use this formula. SP is equal to CP multiplied by 1 plus profit in percent over 100. Now we put the values in the formula. So cost price we have 200 multiplied by 1 plus 20 over 20% over 100. Now when we simplify it, we cancel out 1 0 with 0, and 2 times 1 and 2 times 5 is equal to 10. So now we have 200 multiplied by 1 plus 1.20. So when we multiply it, it will be 240. So our selling price is 240. So this is our answer. Now for sale of practice, we take another question. How we can find the cost price when profit is given and selling price is also given. So for this, first of all, we write down the values. CP, we have to find out CP, means cost price, we have to find it out. Profit is given, that is equal to 10%, and selling price is also given. Selling price represents by SP, that is equal to 180. Formula for the selling price is, we have to write down the same formula for selling price. We just put the value of the selling price in this formula, and we have to find cost price. So the CP multiplied by 1 minus 1 plus profit over 100. So the selling price is 180. Cost price we have to find it out, multiplied by 1 plus profit is 10% over 100. So we have 180 is equal to cost price multiplied by that is equal to 0.90, because when we divide 10 on 100 we will get 0.90. Now 0.90 will become in the bottom of the 180. 0.90 is equal to cost price. So now if we divide 180 on 90, we will get the cost price, that is 200. So this is our answer. Now we solve another question when we have given cost price and selling price and how we can find the profit. So profit in percentage. So first of all we find the profit. So the formula for the profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. So selling price we have 300 minus cost price we have 250. This is a simple profit. Now we take the formula profit in percentage. Okay, so for this one we have profit in percentage. Profit in percentage is equal to profit over cost price multiplied by 100. So profit we have 50 and cost price we have 250 multiplied by 100. So now when we simplify it, we will get 20%. 20%. So our profit in percent we have 20%. So this is our answer. Thank you very much for taking class.